to try to do a video with me talking, which I hate to do, but this might need a little explanation. This little journal is 3 inches by almost 6 by 4. It's like 5 3/4. It's a mixed media collage. There's a lot of texture, embossing, acrylic paints, laces, fabrics, seam binding, and a collaged cover. I got that fun Halloween stuff, and I made that little flower to match with the blue. And we're going to jump right in so I don't talk you to death. Oopsie. Make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so it's 160 pages. Each signature has 10 pages. This is by Louise Heinzl. This is by Antique Paperie. I have a hard time remembering. That's why I film everything. There's some tags I made, some collaging. All the pages are coffee stained, sprayed with Lindy's, stamped, gessoed, and dipped in gold paint, not real gold. And some of them I do have some crackle paste. So they've been aged and grungied, if that's what you like. There's a little tag. And if you've seen my videos, I do like. It's a little glassine bag that I did some decoupage on. Stamping, stitching, and a little tag. Whoopsie. Some book page, decoupage. That's Tim Holtz. I know y'all recognize that. Little tag spot. Made that little flower. Here's a little bitty tag. I have a video on how I did some of these tags, in case you want to watch. It was fun and easy. Little collages. A little belly band. It's kind of a nature themed. It was hard to stick with one thing for me. There's probably a bunch of different styles mixed in. I love Sigitas. I love ArtyMazes and Annelis. A little booklet. So it's kind of a combination of all theirs and mine mixed in. This is the first time I've done signatures, more than one. So I may have spaced them a little further apart than I should have, but I figure that just leaves you more room to add more stuff. That's my excuse. Sticking to it. Itty bitty tag spot. Another little belly band, a little tag I made. A little tag spot. Book page. I love that Halloween stuff. Teensy weensy tag and a teensy weensy little paper clip. There's a little long envelope. Another little journaling spot. Little taggy. Another little tag spot. Another one of my little thingamabobs. Tag spot, envelope. When I'm doing these, my brain goes blank, so I don't know what to call everything. I'm sure you can figure it out. Oh yeah, here's my owl flip up little booklet. A little tuck spot. Tuck spots everywhere. It's hard for me to leave things blank, so I've got, random decoupage here. Decoupage? Decoupage. My accent gets in the way of pronouncing missing things. Little tags. Little tuck spot. Wish. And a tag. A little journaling card. These were stamps. It was the die cut for different size stamps. I thought they'd be cute for little journaling cards. And I curled all the ends because I thought they were cute. Little postcards. Little tuck spot. Just at the side of the bag. A little card. And a little crochet thing I made. Another little tuck spot. All these cards are so pretty. I wish I could remember. I'd have to look on my computer to see who I got everything from. And there's the back. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making it. If you love grunge and texture, you'll love this. All right, bye-bye.